Are you tired of guessing what your competitors are doing? Learn how to uncover their exact SEO strategy in under 3 minutes. I'll show you how to use Semrush's Compare Domains tool to analyze up to 5 competitors at once. Let's start by organizing your data. First, go to your Semrush folders to organize your data. Now click on Compare Domains to start your competitor analysis. Click on Compare Domains again to open the tool. Click on the highlight to select your domain. Click on the highlight again to confirm. Now, choose Root Domain as your analysis type. Click on Exact URL to specify the exact page. Click on Exact URL once more to apply it. Select Subdomain to focus on a subdomain. Click on Subdomain again to set it. Choose Subfolder to narrow down to a specific folder. Add up to 3 competitors by clicking Add up to 3 competitors. Set the location to Worldwide for a global view. Finally, click Compare to run the analysis. That's it. Happy analyzing! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.